So you're ready to buy a new home. You can't wait to go out and start looking at neighborhoods. But before you do that, you really need to talk to a lender to get pre-approved. Here's 3 reasons why you want to be pre-approved before you start your home search. Number 1, to know what you can comfortably afford. Let's not play a guessing game when you're talking about one of the biggest investments you'll make in your life. We'll be able to give you actual options based upon your personal information. We'll find a comfortable price and payment range for you and your family. Number 2, getting your offer accepted. Most sellers won't even consider an offer that doesn't come with a pre-approval. What if you find your dream home and you want to make an offer? It will break your heart if another buyer comes along and steals that home away just because they're pre-approved. Number 3, to get a better deal. By starting the process early with a lender, gives us time to improve your buying power. Well, for instance, you may have some errors that are on your credit report, and we can put you in contact with someone that can help you resolve those issues. Let's keep you ahead of the game. If you'd like to get pre-approved or you just have questions, I'm here to help. Give me a call. By starting the pre-approval process early, you'll avoid a lot of stress that can result from last-minute pre-approvals when you're trying to put an offer in.